Today, I was in my room brushing my hair, but it was very dry and frizzy, and I didn't know what to do. Then I remembered that my brother Smoothy has a secret lab. Hello, Smoothy.
Hello, Rosie. What's the problem?
My hair is very frizzy and dry. Do you have a solution to treat frizz and make my hair smooth?
Yes, I have many solutions for this problem. I also have an extra trick that will make your hair smooth and healthy at the same time. But it's at the end of the video.
Wow, that's really great. Let's start now. And you guys, subscribe to the channel and hit like.
First, use a medical shampoo and a deep moisturizing conditioner.
I use expensive products, but there's no result.
The result is not about the price, but about using the right products. It's always better to use a complete medical set to smooth the hair and treat frizz.
Should I use specific products?
No, because it mainly depends on your budget. The most important thing is choosing what suits your hair and knowing how to use it. For example, use shampoo once a week, only on the scalp and in a small amount. Use conditioner on the hair itself twice a week, and a mask once a week, for example, before shampoo. If you can't choose the right set for your hair, you can use baby shampoo. It is free from harsh chemicals and helps maintain your hair's natural oils. Second, proper daily handling of your hair, like using a satin pillow and a soft towel, and avoiding rough treatment.
That doesn't seem important.
It's not just important, it's the most important thing. Our daily habits are what cause frizz and dryness. The proof is that children's hair is always beautiful, but it gets affected by external factors and wrong habits.
How does that affect the hair negatively?
First, using a cotton pillow causes hair breakage and frizz during sleep, making it harder to style. Over time, it leads to dryness and frizz. Also, using a rough towel and drying hair aggressively causes severe frizz and even hair loss over time. Strong pulling or tight hairstyles weaken the hair and make it more prone to frizz. Smooth hair depends on proper care and allowing it to stay healthy and breathe. Third, use masks and natural recipes to smooth the hair and treat frizz.
Are there ready-made options?
Yes, there are ready-made options like commercial masks or those included in full care sets, and they are, of course, the best. There are also natural recipes, especially natural oil mixtures.
Should I use them every day?
Of course not. Natural recipes and masks are used once a week only. For oils, use this mix for dryness treatment. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of argan oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of castor oil, and 5 drops of lavender oil.
That seems difficult. Is there something easier?
Yes, there are ready-made creams. As I told you, use full care sets consisting of shampoo, conditioner, and a mask. And don't forget, I have a trick at the end of the video that will make your hair very beautiful and healthy at the same time. Fourth, like in the hair loss video, focus on hydration and nutrition.
Do you mean drinking water and eating healthy food?
Yes, it may seem unimportant, but it has a huge effect. Hydrating your body by drinking enough water and fresh juices helps keep your body hydrated from the inside. Also, proper nutrition is very important. Bad hair is weak hair, and weak hair is not well nourished. Protein is especially important because hair is made of protein. So it's important to eat protein, vegetables, and fruits to provide the nutrients that treat dryness and make hair smooth.
Are there vitamins that make hair smooth and treat frizz?
Yes, like vitamin A, B7, and B12. But don't take them randomly. You should first do a full blood test and consult a specialist. Excessive use of heat.
Is the problem the heat itself?
No, the problem is not the heat itself, but the damage it causes, like hair loss, dryness, and stress on the hair. If you avoid these problems, heat will not be an issue.
And how do I avoid heat damage?
This is exactly the trick I told you about. You can use heat to make your hair smooth and beautiful without damage.
That sounds great. How do I do that?
First, choose 1 day a week. Apply a mask or oil mixture like I told you. After half an hour, not more, wash it with shampoo, then conditioner. After washing, apply a good heat protectant, then use a blow dryer only, not a flat iron. Leave your hair without water until the next week.
Is this trick suitable for everyone?
Maybe not. If you have severe hair loss, heat and pulling may increase it. But if the hair loss is mild, there is no problem if you follow a treatment routine for hair loss. Also, avoid this if you have severe dandruff. In the end, curly hair is not the problem. The problem is how you treat it.
And I was treating it wrong all this time.
Follow these steps, and you will notice the difference yourself.
I'm very excited. Come on, guys. Subscribe to the channel, because what's coming next will be even better.